channel run by an ex-IELTS examiner. When I talked to the students, I found that again they could not understand the task 2 question properly. It was of cause and solutions, but they have written it about problems. I'll tell you where they went wrong, and therefore your task 2 can get a low score. Please be throughout the video to check how you have written your task 2, and if you have not given your IELTS, then please see this whole video so that you never commit that mistake which others have done. Of course, I'll be telling you the level of the listening, the level of the reading, and also about task 1. Now let's dive into the question of task 2 and correct your essay, what you have written, and you can give yourself the bands at least for the task response. Now look, the question was, some college freshmen find, now what is the freshman? That means those who are gone to the college for the first time, the new goers, you can say, to the college. Okay, so this is what is freshman means. Find that courses they choose are not suitable for them. That is when later on they come to know, oh, we cannot do this course. Now, what are the causes? This is very important. And what can be done to solve the problem? That means it's the solutions they are trying to ask you. Now, what are the causes? Now, here the people have gone wrong. They have written, what are the problems associated? Now, problems would be that they become depressed. Okay, and they are not able to, continue. They may drop out. So these are the problems. But what are the causes? Causes will be different. That will be different. I mean, they could even take drugs because that is the problem that is associated with it. It is not the cause. Just check. Now this is the Goal 7 Plus PDF, and this is different from Makkad, of course, and you will get all 8 plus answers to the cue cards. Again, this is speaking part 1, and this is the real exam questions. They may be 136, but I'll be adding more. So like this is the Goal 7 plus, and you can easily achieve your 7 plus bands in speaking and writing for sure. That is sure. And of course, my online coaching is available. Evaluation services is available, and I'm an ex-IELTS examiner. Now let's go and see what are the causes and not the problems. Check what you have written. Okay, so here, many first year college students, that means the fresh people or the fresh students, or you can say the fresh student college, or those who are going for the first time college goers, also you can say first time, it is extempo, college goers you can also say. Okay, discovered that the courses they initially choose are not suitable for them, leading to frustration and lack of motivation. This issue has several causes, but it can be addressed through targeted solutions. This will explore the reasons behind this problem and suggest to resolve. So, the reason, causes. One primary cause for the first year students or the new goers or the students those who are new to the college, you can write anything. Choosing unsuitable courses is lack of, see now this is lack of adequate guidance and information during the selection process. When they are selecting, they do not have the guidance. High school students often have limited exposure to the variety of subjects and career paths. They don't know about the variety and the career paths available in the college. So as a result, that is a linking. As a consequence also you can write, they may make uninformed decision based on incomplete and inaccurate information. For example, the students might choose a course on the perceived prestige. Prestige means one that is already acknowledged or already known that it is a very prestigious one, or potential salary if it has a good salary, rather than, see, this is the comparison and complex structure, their genuine interest or aptitude. They are not concerned about their interest or their aptitude. Additionally, again a linking, peer and parental pressure तो होता ही है, can influence students to select courses that do not align, see this, with their strengths and passions. That is not according to their passion. So this is that they are selecting without their passion. Now this is the cause, see, it's not the problem. Another significant factor is lack of self-awareness. They do not know about themselves among the students regarding their interests, skills and long-term goals. They do not know what they want to be in life. Many high schools graduates are still exploring. They are still exploring their identities and may not fully understand what they want to pursue in the college. They do not understand only. They do not have their goals. This uncertainty can lead to hasty decisions. Okay, they take decisions quickly, resulting in the selection of a course that do not match their true preferences or capabilities. They even don't know their capabilities. Furthermore, see that linking, the transition, because they are moving from school to high school or from school to college, from high school to college often involves a different level of academic rigor and teaching. The teaching is different, teaching style, which can make initially appealing courses, even if it appeals to them, it is okay, it seems overwhelming or unengaging. They do not find it interesting. Now, solutions. To address this issue, the schools and colleges can implement several measures. Now, this is the topic sentence. Now, I will tell the solutions. Firstly, comprehensive career counseling and academic advising should be made available to the high school. So, this should be made available well before they make their college course selections, providing, so how could then, example is providing workshops, information sessions and one-to-one counseling can help students better understand their options and make more informed choices. For example, the career counselors can assist students in exploring their interests, strengths and potential career paths, ensuring that, and if you please like this video, then kindly share it, because I do lot of effort. Kindly do that and please spread the word. Sometimes one share can make all the difference. So if you have come to this channel for the first time, see that you like and also share if you are liking what I am doing. Okay, ensuring that their course selections align with their long-term goals. So they should be aligned. They should be in sync. You can also write in sync. Additionally, colleges should offer flexible curricula. Okay, that means curriculum or curricula that allow students to explore different subjects before they are committed, to a specific course of study. So they should be doing it flexibly. Introducing a mandatory first year experience. There should be a first year experience program that includes a variety of introductory courses. So that can include variety of courses, and this can help the students discover their true interest and aptitude, or in whatever. This approach would enable the first year students to make more informed decisions about their major and course and selections. So see, these are all the causes and how we will do the solutions. Furthermore, create a supportive environment. The environment should be supportive, that encourages students to seek help and make changes without stigma. That means they should not be discouraged, they should not be criticized without stigma. Socially, they should not be criticized. Can alleviate, that means mitigate or reduce the stress and anxiety associated with switching courses. Now, conclusion. Now, I will not include anything new here. In conclusion, the problems of first year college students choosing unsuitable courses stems from, see this word, a lack of guidance information and self-awareness. Now this is what I have summed up my paragraphs. However, this issue can be mitigated through comprehensive career counseling. So this is what I did in my solutions. Flexible curricula or curriculum, supportive academic environment by implementing these measures. Educational institutions can help students make better informed decisions, leading to greater satisfaction and success in their academic pursuits. So, like in listening, they have told me, three of the students, that it was normal, not too easy and not even moderate. It was normal. And for reading, so there's a, something that is undecided. Someone was saying it is moderate. Nobody said it was easy, and someone said it was really difficult. So after all, it depends upon your, what is your hard work, okay, your practice. And of course, in academic, it was a table chart, and I will update the reading passages in my posts. You can also join my community for free resources, and I have given the link already. Thank you, and please do like, share, and comment. Give me your feedback in your comments, please. It is always welcome. Thank you.